To the right now. Turn to the right now. Right 30. Right. Okay. Next. Turn to the right now. Next. Turn to the right now. Okay. Turn to the right now. Go on to the
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
you regarding transgender rights?
So, thank you so much, Ms. Joanne, for that very interesting question. Especially, that question is connected to us, LGBTQIA+ community or trans rights. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of things that comes into my mind when I heard that question. But you know what? The very main issue that is important to us transgender rights is that ang diskriminasyon po ay nanggagaling sa amin mismo. Bakit ko po nasabi? Ang mga transgender po ay kami-kami rin po ang nag-iilangan pababa. Nasa aming komunidad rin po ang diskriminasyon na nangyayari. Because ladies and gentlemen, we cannot deny the fact that each and every one of us is very insecure about ourselves. But you know what? Allow me to break that stereotype and that stigma, because I hope that all of my friends and all of the LGBTQIA+ community should help each other. I know for a fact that this is very alarming to each and everyone, especially discrimination is very rampant nowadays. Nararanasan po namin ito sa biological woman, biological man. Mararanasan din po ba namin sa iisang komunidad. So kaya naman po sa mga LGBT na nanonood ngayon, tayo po dapat ang magtaas sa isa't isa para mapatunayan natin sa ibang tao na kanilang tayo dapat respetuhin. Because always remember, ladies and gentlemen, respect should start within our community so other people will respect us.
Recently, there have been discussions about the potential impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte. If you were in a position to advise her, what steps would you suggest to address the concerns and maintain public trust?
So the question that was given to me is that what advice could I give to the Vice President Sara Duterte and the steps that she could have? First and foremost, we should always be mindful about our decisions in life, especially in voting. Next year will be the voting for some positions, so we should be mindful regarding that. The best advice that I could give to our Vice President Sara Duterte is that she should be mindful about her citizens. She should be mindful about her decisions, because it's not about her decisions in life, not about her personal decisions, it's all about the country's decisions. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Well, I feel so grateful because I had a lot of relatives here at Uruguay.
That's very nice. Yeah. So my question to you is, do you think that reality shows such as Drag Race Philippines highlights the LGBTQ+ community in a positive way? Why or why not? So candidate number 3, do you think that reality TV shows such as Drag Race Philippines highlights the LGBTQ+ community in a positive way? Why or why not?
Well, the reality shows is very wonderful when it comes to people liberation. And as a part of LGBTQIA+ community and as a mascot with it, I believe that the LGBTQIA+ community has a full of highlight, not just for the television and also for the people who are listening to us. Because we, as a part of LGBTQIA+ community, we experience a lot of things, not just about the discrimination, struggles in life, and